What is the right course of action? I overtake the cyclist. A. Between truck and bend. B. After the bend. C. Before drawing level with the truck. The correct answer is B. You must wait until you have passed the bend to overtake the cyclist. This is because the bend obstructs your view of any potential oncoming traffic, making it unsafe to perform an overtaking maneuver until the road ahead is clearly visible again. What is the right course of action now? A. I move to the right, onto the parking strip. B. I maintain my current speed. C. I reduce my speed. The correct answer is C. You must reduce your speed because a red car is currently overtaking you on the left. Since there is oncoming traffic and the road is narrow, you need to slow down to allow the overtaking car to safely pull back into your lane ahead of you. Reducing your speed creates the necessary space for the red car to merge safely and prevents a potential accident. What should you anticipate in this situation? The oncoming car will now A. Overtake without crossing the center of the road. B. Pull out and cross the center of the road. C. Brake and not cross the center of the road. The correct answer is B. You must anticipate this because the oncoming car has its indicator on and is preparing to overtake the cyclist. To do this, the car will have to pull out and cross the center line into your lane. You should be ready to slow down to ensure there is enough room for everyone to pass safely. What should you do now? A. Swerve to the left. B. Slow down and be ready to brake. C. Continue driving as before. The correct answer is B. You must slow down and be ready to brake, because the blue car on your right is about to reverse out of its parking space into your path. Since the driver's visibility might be limited while reversing, you need to be extra cautious and prepared to stop immediately to prevent an accident. What should you anticipate? That the truck in front of me, A, will come to a sudden stop. B, will remain stationary in the right-hand lane. C, will swing outwards even more. The correct answers are A and C. You should anticipate this because the large truck is preparing to make a right turn. Because of its length, the driver must first swing the truck outwards to the left into your lane area to make enough room for the turn.